Happy Wednesday, first graders. You're halfway through the week. I hope you've had a great start to your week. Are you ready to do some more work with money today? All right. How many of you have been counting your money? Has anybody gone shopping with some of their coins? Hope you've gotten to get some good things when you're at the store. Well, today, in addition to reviewing our coins, we're going to talk a little bit about some of our paper money. We call them bills, okay? All right, well, let's start first. Just a quick review again of our coins. All right. Let's start with a penny. Penny's worth, that's right, 1 cent. Let's go to the nickel. Nickel's worth 5 cents. Perfect. Dime. That's right, 10 cents. Quarter, good, 25 cents. And the one we don't get to use very much, but it's kind of cool, $50, and that's worth 50 cents. Excellent. Are you getting some good practice in with counting your coins? Are you going around your house looking to see what coins you can find hidden in different places? Check your couch cushions. A lot of times coins fall out of people's pockets and they end up down underneath the couch cushions. So see if you can find any hidden down there. See how much you have hidden down there, okay? All right, so not only do we want to know about our coins and be able to count our coins to know how much money we have in coins, but we also want to talk about dollars, different amounts of dollars. And sometimes we refer to this as paper money because it is actually made not technically paper. It's actually made of a mixture of cotton and some other things, but we call it paper money. It's not coins. It's not made of a type of metal, okay? All right, so let's start with this one, and I've got a real dollar bill here, okay? Notice the shape of our bills. That's a rectangle shape, if you'll remember. We've got George Washington on the front, and notice we can tell the amount very easily. We've got ones in the corners, okay? And then on the back, there's the big word one and $1. There's a lot of cool things that we're not going to take time on the video to talk about and look at with our paper money, with our bills. But again, I challenge you, see if you can do a Google search or find a book about the history and all of the things that go into making and printing money and the history behind money. It's pretty cool. I think you'll find out some really interesting facts about our money, something that we use each and every day. All right, so $1, when we see this, easy peasy, we count by ones, okay? This is our bill that's worth the least amount. There's not a bill smaller than the dollar bill, okay? $1. Another one that you will find quite often that people use daily is the $5 bill. Easy to see. We've got our fives, $5. And there's another one of our presidents, Abraham Lincoln, okay? And then on the back, we've got 5, right? So if you have these bills, if some of your own or someone in your house will let you borrow one to look at, just take a few minutes sometime today and just take a little bit of time and just examine each of these bills, the 1 and the 5, and then the other ones that we're going to talk about as well, okay? All right, so when you see the $5 bill, you're of course going to count by fives. You got it. All right, our next bill, as we move up in how much it's worth, is going to be our $10 bill, okay? Easy to see. It's got a big 10 in each of the corners. And this is Hamilton on the front. Here's what the back looks like. And again, I challenge you, if you have one of these at home, take a few minutes and examine it up close and in person, okay? It's pretty cool. All right, so when we see one of these, we're going to count by, we're going to count by tens, okay? All right, and the last one that we're going to look at today that people use almost every single day, and you might even have one of these, is our $20 bill, okay? And Jackson is on the front of this bill. You can see the 20 in each of the corners and then $20. Okay, here's what the back looks like. All right, so those are the 4 most common bills that we use. The $1 bill, here's this one. The $5 bill is the next one. So we got 1 and 5. The next one we use is the $10 bill. And then the next one that we use most often is the 20. So these are the 4 bills that you will see most often, people using on a daily basis when they go out shopping or to buy something, okay? So when we have several of those bills together, we always want to start counting with the one that's worth the most. So if you have a $20 bill, you want to start counting that one first. If you just have a $10 bill, start with that one first. Always start by counting the one that's worth the most, okay? All right, let's give you a little practice today in your workbook page. Now remember, money is something, hopefully all of you have a little bit of at home, or maybe you can borrow some, but that's a great way to practice. Pretend you're going shopping. Even if you don't get to go anywhere, you can pretend to be shopping for things at home, and you can practice counting out your money to buy different things in your house. Maybe you want to buy a snack from your mom in the kitchen. See how much she's charging for that snack. Maybe you want a snack with some goldfish crackers. See how much money it's going to cost for you to buy some goldfish crackers. And you can count out your coins or your bills and buy yourself a snack, and that'll give you great practice counting your coins and your bills. But let's take a look at your workbook page. So find your math workbook. Okay, that should be pretty close and handy, this one. We're going to work on 2 pages today. Page 157 looks like this, and you'll notice this page is just giving you practice counting bills, counting what we call our paper money. So you have different containers with paper money in it. First, you need to count how much money is in each container, and then again, just like we did on our coin page, see which item you can buy with that amount of money. Okay, you got a little tea kettle up here for $8, some shoes for $52, a calculator for $32, and a watch for $45. All right, so match the correct change or money container with the item and see which one you can buy. Okay, see which one's your favorite. All right, and then one more page today. We're going to kind of challenge your brain a little bit. Okay, we don't want you to forget how to count coins. So on this page, you have 2 problems with coins and 2 problems with bills. So it asks you to color the correct amount of money. So here you have an object. You have an orange for 40 cents, some glue for 85 cents, a racket for $17, and a t-shirt for $28. So you can use your pencil or your colors and color in exactly which coins you would need to equal that amount. Which of these coins would make exactly 40 cents? Which of these coins would make exactly 85 cents so you could buy that glue? Which of these bills would you need to equal exactly $17? Which of these bills would you need to equal exactly $28 so you could buy that t-shirt? All right, so you've got a couple of pages to work on practicing counting your coins and your bills so that you can buy some good things. I hope you have fun. Make sure you're doing your best and getting your work done in a great way. And I know that you're going to do that. Keep going, guys. You can do it. We'll see you tomorrow.